Hi guys, welcome to Tech Hub, where I post tech educational videos and reviews. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post a new video. In this video, I'll be introducing you to Microsoft Word. Whether you're a beginner to Microsoft Word or you just want to refresh your knowledge on MS Word, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end as I'll be teaching you from scratch. Microsoft Word is a word processor that allows you to produce a wide range of documents, including letters, brochures, and reports. Let's get started. We are going to look for Microsoft Word. We have Word here. You can open it from here, or rather, you can go to a search bar. So we search for Word. You have Word 216. So you double click on it, and wait for it to load. Alright, so this is Microsoft Word. So what you have here is called the welcome screen. The welcome screen, we have two columns. The first column, which has the blue color, and the second column here. This particular column consists of your recent documents that you've created in Microsoft Word. So these are recent documents I've created here. And then here are templates. So here consists of templates to do whatever I want to do with it. So here we have, let's see one of the templates here. We have single spread. We have crisp and clean resume. We have snapshot calendar, the rest of it. But we are not going to use any of those templates. We are going to start from a blank document. So we click on the blank document. We click here. So we've clicked on the blank document, and here we are in our Microsoft Word interface. So the screen we are seeing here is referred to as the Microsoft Word interface. Here I'm going to explain the entire interface to you for you to understand how to navigate around Microsoft Word, rather. On the top we have the title bar. So this is called the title bar. So on the title bar, you can see where we have document 1 and we have Word. The name of a document is document 1. So whenever you open a blank document, at default, Microsoft Word would give a default name to your file. Document 1. If you open another one, you have document 2. And if you open another one, you have document 3, and so on and so forth. So here we have just document 1, right? Now at this part here, this is called the quick access toolbar. So this is a quick access toolbar. It consists of shortcut tools that I can just switch on and click on it without going to our menus. This is your ribbon display option. If I click on here, I can decide to hide the ribbon. I click back, I show the ribbon. So this is your ribbon display option. It displays your ribbon here. Okay, this is when you come down, these are called your tabs. Where my pointer is at is called your tabs. Alright? So this is my file tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, and the rest of it. How does this tab works? When you click on home, you find out that the home opens a ribbon. So this particular part, this gray part you see here is referred to as the ribbon. So if I click on home, it opens up a ribbon and it will display all the tools contained in the home tab on the ribbon here. So you can see here. So if I click on insert, you see a different tool that is contained in the insert tab. They all display on the ribbon, as you can see here. So right now, if you click on home tab, you also see the home commands being displayed here on the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into groups. So you can see a line, a demarcation. There's a line here, there's a line here, and there's a line here. You see lines here, and lines here. So this ribbon is divided into groups. You can see each of the group has a group name. Like the first group here is called the clipboard. The second group is called the font. You have the paragraph, you have the styles, you have the editing. The clipboard here consists of tools that we can use to copy and paste our text. So you can see we have paste, we have cut, we have copy, and rest of it. Here we have our workspace. So the workspace, also known as a page. This is also known as a page. At the top here we have a ruler. So this is our horizontal ruler. This is a vertical ruler. This blinking stuff here is referred to as the insertion. So it's ready to insert text to wherever it's blinking there. Now you can see other one here. The one that is like this other one here that is moving is referred to as a cursor, right? If I go out of the workspace, you see this one called what? The pointer. So that's how it works. Right here, if I come down, you see my status bar. So this is your status bar. The status bar consists of data, information about your page. So we have page 1 of 1, and then we have 0 words, and then we are using English, United States. Alright, so you can see here, this is called view option. So on our view option, we have the read mode. So if I click on the read mode, all you see is just the text. There's no tools and the rest of that. Then this is our print layout. Here, print layout. So this is what we always see when we are formatting a document. So this is the view that we always want to be whenever we are working with our document. Whenever we are typing or creating any document, we always want to be on this print layout view. We also have this view called the web layout view. So this is the web layout. So the web layout is where you can actually type in your blog posts and arrange them. So it doesn't have pages. You can see it's just 0 words. So there's no pages here. So this is your web view. But whenever you want to create a document, always come to what? To your print layout. So this is it. Now we have this option here, this tool here. This is your zoom tool, right? So we have the plus. If I click on the minus, zoom out, it zooms out my page. So here you could see the entire page. If I click on the plus button, you can see it zooms my page. So we always want to be at 100% while zooming in to this particular work environment. Whenever we are working or whenever we are typing, we always want to leave it at 100%. A nice view so that your eyes could actually see the text you are typing. Now at my right here, this is your vertical scroll bar. You can actually use your scroll bar to scroll up and scroll down to see the entire page. Alright. So this is your window button like I've told you before. So this can be used to minimize. So if I click on here, it will minimize and go back to my desktop screen. So I have to go back to my taskbar and click on Microsoft Word, and then I get back to Microsoft Word. Then this button here is used to restore down. So it's going to shrink the Microsoft window as small as this on your desktop screen. So if I click back on that particular button, it has maximize. So it's going to maximize the work environment back to normal view it was before. Then we also have here our close button. So if I click on the close button, what happens is that I close the Microsoft Word entirely. So I have to go back to my search bar and type Word, and then I have to open it again. I wait for it to open. Always remember, you click on what? Your blank document. So this is the introduction to Microsoft Word and the interface. If this video has helped you in any way, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. That will help me to create more videos like this. Thank you for watching my video, and please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you always be notified whenever I post a new video like this.